Gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and this time out, I was looking through my email, as I normally do every morning, and I get advertisements all the time, obviously different marketing things, and I wanted to try this one out in particular. It says earn passive income from driving. So basically what this is, and I'll show you in just a second, is supposedly, that's why I'm doing a reviewing and a testing and all that. Supposedly you make money by having signs on your car, driving them around. You take a picture of the sign and send them to have proof of the fact that you do have it. And I just wanted to see how it says you get gift cards and cash and stuff. So I just wanted to see how this worked, see if it worked, and what type of payback you get on that. So I just simply got this one day. I read through it. Okay, this looks kind of interesting. We'll see if it works. It'll be good fodder for my YouTube channel, if anything. And of course, that link doesn't work, but that's okay. I got it up right here. All right, so if you go here, you can just, it's stickr.co, and you can become a driver. You just click on that. And how did you hear from us? I got an email. So sticker, I'm going to just go put other. And let's see, just put in your zip code. And let's see, that's what do you drive per year? I will say more than 15,000. Is your vehicle insured? Absolutely. I'm on the insurance policy. Company, no. What year is your vehicle? Minus 2015 or higher. Next step, great. So I'm not sure if you put other answers, what comes up. Those just happen to be mine. Okay, the ad you put on your car is completely see-through, vinyl decal printed for back window. It takes seconds to install and won't leave a residue on your window. Okay, it's all good. As long as you're participating in one of our campaigns, you'll get paid. Great, I love a guarantee movie. I like an account manager. Help understand this better. I don't need an account manager. After you're done with your application, you'll see how you're paid. Got it. Shipping is free through some campaigns. May require deposit to ensure decal. Okay, understand. All right, and then you just put through your information to get your decal. You decide, you choose which decal that you want. You do have to pay a subscription fee each month. I think it's like $9 or $10 or something like that. There's other things. You just have to look through this as you go, and they will try to upsell you. So the only thing they really upsold me on is I doubled the car. So meaning it's like I have two cars instead of one. It's just one-time payment. I think it was like $30 or something like that. But I think altogether I paid, I don't know, $50 or $70 or something to that effect. But you can go through here and decide what you want. All right, and let me just go back. And then I was assigned, let's see here, account manager will set a list available today. Okay, so I got sent a list of available campaigns, and then this is the one that I received. And so we're going to put that on the card today. And so this Kate is my account manager. And then let me start fresh from here. So they want me to fill out this thing. I'm not going to read through it. If you just pause the video, you can read through it. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's do it. Okay, as you can see, I already did this. Okay. I would advise to read through all this stuff. I did this already, so I'm just kind of breezing through it. And we'll continue. To be paid via PayPal if you need to make another. Okay, that's fine. Okay, my first name is Christopher. Okay. His name is Mosier. Okay. Okay, and I signed up under contact at mymediahelper.com. Okay, my PayPal. If anyone wants to send me some money, my PayPal is camoser1701 at gmail.com. I'll take it. All right, and view. It says you're just about all set. Just one more quick perk below before you're done. We highly suggest checking out this perk first before checking your email. Your driver dashboard login info will come in the email with your decal package. Will come in your mail. Login info will come in your mail with your decal package. Okay. All right. So let's take a look. So I took a relook through the package that I was sent. I didn't get any type of letter or anything. So I came back to this site here and I found this link right here, verified decal installation. So it says here, I just installed my decal and need to submit proof. And so I'm going to click on that. Put in the email address that I used, and I'll put in my phone number. And then this is where you create your password. So I'm actually going to bring up my get rid of this. Actually, I'll do that in a minute. Yeah, I'll create my password here. All right, PayPal account. Upload photo of decal installed on your vehicle. All right, so here is the package that I received, or the envelope that was received on here. Yeah, let's take a look here. Yeah, just instructions on how to install the decal. And let's take a look at this here. All right. All right, pretty simple, pretty easy. All right, so it kind of turns into like a little arts and crafts project here. So it's pretty simple. Cut around the yellow. All right, guys and gals and guys. All right, so we're gonna go out and put this sticker in there. And the first thing you need to do before you put the sticker on the car is you need to fill up your beverage. It's very important. In my case, it is coffee. It is Dunkin' Donuts coffee. While we're heating up the coffee, we can go get your shoes on, put some clothes on, for God's sakes. Don't go out there all in your boxers or your bikini briefs. No one wants to see that. Oh my Lord, please don't do that. Ooh. All right, bring some paper towels with you. All right, I got coffee, got cyan. All right, and I ran out of hands, so somehow I'm going to have to open the door. All right, you know what? I probably forgot my key. You know, if you lose your key, you don't get no new key. Oh, keys in there. So, it's a little joke. New key, get it? New key. All right, big thing you have to do to start with is make sure your window's clean. I'm just going to grab this stuff, and here's the vehicle it's going on. And then, as you can see, it's pretty dirty back here. So I'm going to put the phone down here and do a little cleaning. right, so here we are back at this, and now I did take a picture of the final installation, so let's choose this. All right, I'm going to submit. You have not read our terms. Okay, okay. Verification. Thank you for submitting your first photo. Now that you submitted your photo, we need to verify that the decal is installed properly. We'll email you when your submission is approved or if there's an issue with your submission. Please reach out to if you have any questions. Okay. All right, so it's been about 2 days, 3 days actually. I put it on the sticker on April 6th. It is now April 9th. I haven't heard anything back yet, but I was able to get into my account. So I just wanted to show you that. And there we go. Let me just grab my password on my password sheet. Oh, maybe already in there, but that's okay. All right, so here's my dashboard here. Let's go to accounts. All right, so at this point, membership status is active. Decal status is pending. So we have submitted the photo, social cause, end trafficking, installation date. There's the installation date right there. And my PayPal account, if anyone wants to send me some money, there it is. And double commission, that should be yes, because I purchased double commission. I'm not concerned about that. I'll deal with that once the picture has been okayed. And that's it, guys and gals. I want to show you one other thing. Oh yeah, this is it too. So this is the monthly decal verification. So I'm going to have to remember to do this. You have to verify installation on the first day of the month. I have to remember that. And then you have until the second day of each month at noon. So this last month's, or April, April's was garden. And I'm not going to worry about this month. I feel I'm paying for a whole month without utilizing this, but I'll look into that and everything. But that's what it is. I'm going to wait for them to verify it. I'm not going to do another video probably until June. And hopefully this will all be rocking and rolling. I'll have more to explain to you. But it's going to be a process, and I'm going to keep doing videos at least for 6 months to see where it goes, if not longer. So it's a grand experiment. So guys and gals, I'm going to end this video right here, and I will pick it up again, this particular subject, in June. Why did I say June twice? All right, if you could subscribe, like, or share below, that would be awesome of you. Hit the bell there so you get updates, and then I'll catch you in future videos. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.